Welcome to 313 Pratt Drive in Amherstview, where modern design, thoughtful upgrades, and income potential come together in a growing, family-friendly community just west of Kingston. Just steps from neighborhood parks and the W.J. Henderson Recreation Centre, this 2022 built detached home is perfectly located for an active lifestyle. Inside, you'll find a bright and spacious main floor with upgraded finishes throughout. The open concept layout offers plenty of room to gather, relax, and entertain. The kitchen is a standout, featuring quartz countertops, a large center island, stylish cabinetry, and stainless steel appliances. It's functional, sleek, and perfect for busy family life. Large windows fill the living and dining areas with natural light, creating a warm and welcoming space. Upstairs, you'll find 4 generous bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a lovely primary suite with walk-in closet and ensuite. There's even a dedicated laundry area for added convenience. But what really sets this home apart is the legal 1-bedroom apartment on the lower level with its own private entrance. Complete with a full kitchen, stainless steel appliances, in-unit laundry, and a modern 4-piece bathroom, this space is ideal for extended family, guests, or rental income. Whether you're a growing family, an investor, or looking for multi-generational living, 313 Pratt Drive checks all the boxes. Move-in ready, thoughtfully upgraded, and located in one of the region's fastest growing communities. This is a home you won't want to miss. Contact us today to book your private showing.